Let's begin in all fours. You're going to round your back here by pushing your hands into the ground. Full exhale out. Think about the front rib cage going up towards the sky, and inhale back to neutral. Exhale, round up. Inhale, allow everything to just relax. Exhale, press down through the ground. Round up. Inhale, back down, and sink back to your heels to child's pose. Inhale back up to all fours and back to child's pose. Full exhale out. Inhaling back up to child's pose. And last one, exhale all the way out. Inhale back up to tabletop. Tuck those toes and we're going to go to down dog. Hips go up towards the sky. Inhale, lower your knees back down to tabletop. And back up to down dog. Full exhale out. Inhale back down. Exhale back up. And this next one, you're going to step your feet forward. Full exhale. Inhale, lift to lengthen. Exhale, lower. Inhale, arms go up. You're going to gather energy. Exhale, hands come down through heart center. Inhale, gather energy. Exhale, hands down through heart center. Sense your heels here. Inhale, arms back up. Exhale, hands through heart center. Now from here, we're going to step out lengthwise, and you're going to sink down towards your heels, sending all the energy down to the ground, soaring out like an eagle. Arms come back up through heart center, and hands go above your head. Exhale, hands come back down through heart center. Spread the energy, arms out like an eagle. Hands come back up through center, and hands go overhead. Exhale, hands down, send that energy to the earth, and gather earth's energy and bring it back to heart center. Now from here, we're going to go into twists. Your left arm comes down, your right arm comes up. Come back up to center. And exhale that right hand down. Left arm comes up, looking up. Exhale, look down, and inhale back up to center. Exhale that left arm down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, look down, and come back up. Exhale that right hand back down. Inhale, head up, arm up. Inhale, back up. Exhale that left arm down. Inhale, look up, and right arm up. Inhale, back to center. Exhale that right hand down. Left arm up and look up. Exhale, look head down and come back to center. We're going to stand here and gather energy. Now this position can make you feel more powerful. It's not necessarily scientifically proven to change your physiology, but it can make you feel more powerful. So gather your energy here whenever you're feeling less powerful. Thanks for checking out Breath Base. I'm Michael, your yoga instructor and fitness fusion instructor.